Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, we're speaking about the fact that when we're watching the first episode of the latest season of Mnakwethu Happily Ever After, at the end of the show they put rest in peace MaDlamini. You should be seeing her face on the screen now. Her name might not sound that familiar if you haven't been watching Mnakwethu for a while, but for the oldies, you know who Ushila was. Ushila was Utulasi's first oldest wife, and if I'm not mistaken, she was the wife of his brother. Then the brother passed away, then Utulas had to take her as a wife. But now, guys, I was thinking, I was like, shame, it was so sad. Because like, okay, I'm just thinking about the last time, guys, when she was at the reunion, the last time her season, when she was there, guys, did Ugel not say Tulasi and her family took her kids away from her? And she was fighting for custody between her family and Tulasi's family? I remember Ugel saying that Ugeli tolerated Utulasi's nonsense so much, guys. Utulas no Mamhlongo, when Umamhlongo came emdelela nje, and Tulas had no sense of regard for this woman, guys. And every time she just kept forgiving Tulas. I mean, they even took her own children away. And obviously, I don't know the type of life that she then loved afterwards. But guys, hey, guys, Abafana, the boys, just imagine, guys, passing away at such a young age. And majority of your adult life, you lived chasing around a stupid boy who is still alive today, like roaming around with women. I don't know the cause of her death, obviously, but I'm just saying, guys, like some things are not worth it. Now, obviously, I don't know if she was still with Utulasi, if she did make a change of heart, but the last time we saw her, it looks like Utulasi, it looked like she was never going to leave. I don't know how things ended. Utulas did not mention anything about her, which I don't know if it's for the respect of families, but I find it quite odd that the first episode you're speaking about is Tembusako, your wives, but you're not going to mention anything about your first wife who passed away. I don't know, you guys. But anyway, guys, need best safety out there, because Amadota will put themselves first. Majority of them, guys, are selfish. Abangela wena nengane zakho, because one day you're going to check out of this world. And God forbid you check out of this world not having at least left something for your kids, or not at least having spent time with them or given them uthando lukama, guys. Imagine. Anyway, rest in peace, Sheila. I hope she is resting in peace. Guys, tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.